How are you today? Happy New Year. Welcome back. It's a brand new year. I am Deb. You were in the office with Deb. I'm happy to be here. Happy to see you. Oh, it's so refreshing looking at the new year. New beginning, new start, fresh start. Mm. So, speaking of fresh starts, let's get started with our first assignment of the year. Yes, I said your first assignment. Don't worry, it's not a big one. I know a lot of you are still on holiday today. That's perfectly fine. Don't worry about it. Now, this is one Mike you have to think about for a little bit. I like to give you a little challenge here. Who's up for the challenge? I hope you are. Let's instead of we making New Year's resolutions. Now, we make them, we don't, we keep them, we don't. Let's think about always think about what we need to do, whether it's lose weight. And we're not even going to worry about losing weight today. We're not even going to talk about that. So when I give you your first assignment, no. The first thing we're going to talk about is letting go. You're like, why is she talking about letting go? I'm talking about letting go. What in your life is toxic? Or is there something that you look at from somebody that somebody's given you and you don't like it in your house? You just don't like that knick-knack. You don't like it. It just doesn't bring you joy. It doesn't even make you happy when you look at it. Or is it something, a person you maybe need to stay away from more, that person is toxic to you and they bring you down? What is it? What is it that you need to let go? Don't even say the weight. That's no, we're not going with the weight. Something that will not drain you. Something to take rid of that toxic out of your life. Now, I'm thinking about this too. It could be anything from anger. It could be this broken spoon, spatula that you're using all the time. And you're like, I'm just too lazy to go to the store and get a new one, or I don't feel like digging out for my new one, looking for the new one. Is it that gift from somebody that you just don't like and you don't want to hurt their feelings? What is it? Is it, like those people you got to limit yourself from? What is that toxic thing that you need to get out of your life? Maybe it could even be a bunch of things. It could be a bunch of little things here and there. Maybe it's the toxicity around your desk. What's on your desk? Is your desk all mumble jumbled here, there, everywhere? And that's why you can't be comfortable with it? It just gives off this vibe, but you don't feel like cleaning it? What is the toxic in your life? Let's go ahead, get rid of it if we can this week, so that it can make ourselves feel better inside and on the outside. So it can invigorate us. What's that one thing you need to get done? Maybe the thing that's you need to let go of is maybe you owe somebody a letter and you don't really want to write the letter. You're just too lazy. You owe a letter and you should be getting it done. Maybe once you let that go, get it done, put it in the mail, you'll feel better. So that's what I want you to look at for this year as we're going through this first week. What are you going to let go of? Interesting. I bet you never thought of that. And it could be anything from decluttering your home. It could be something in your house that you need to declutter. Maybe it's a certain area that's bugging you or it depresses you when you look at it. Be conscious of what you look at and what kind of vibe it brings to your face when you look at it in the corner or wherever you're looking. Think, how am I reacting to this? And if you're looking at it just looking at it and going, ugh, it's got to get, it's got to, something needs to be done. So let's try to make it a, make it a point this year to let go of the things that are toxic to us. And I know it's going to be a tough one. A lot of our family is toxic in and to us, and that's going to be really hard. So we can't do that. But we can just do the best we can. So it's just something I want you to think about for today. Let me know what you're going to be getting rid of in your life, and I will be getting rid of it too. And for me, I think the some of the toxic stuff is, as we're going to be putting away some of the Christmas stuff, I think there's some stuff I need to let go of. I need to make more room in the bins for the Christmas stuff, and it needs to lighten up a little bit. So that is where I'm going to start my detoxing, so to speak, and letting go of. So let me know what you're going to be letting go of too. Thanks, ladies. It's great to see you. Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the group. Bye.